Speaker Among ugamba hakora uruguto rwa masheruka bwizibwera no bwabira ryaca cya Shema Stadium Kabohe obwo munyishengero ahabwashema municipality Dickson Collins Kateshumbwa abiri na herezayo ombutongore ebyakozire omyakena no kushagikaza saa ko mukaga ezihirwe miliyoni 9.
The people of Shema said that you are closer to the president and you manage the budget of the country, that this road of Kabohe, Nyakambu, Wizibwera, Nsika, that you should give us more money to ensure that the road starts. It is in a very, very poor situation.
President Akargamba Urugutorwe.
And we have budgeted for that road.
Kandu Jirom budgeting.
The road is on the budget and they are going to start working on it.
There is no government that has helped Uganda and hold Uganda better than the national resistance movement.
If you think Honorable Katesh has not worked, get time and look at this book.
Sako mukaga ezirimu eyabanyamakuru eyaseja Sako eyaba boda boda tax drivers ghetto Sako women Sako neyeminyeto nizo zihirwe miliyoni 9 dera barukora umusaru n'abantu 300 bahirwe ebyo kukozesa nkamajuta amashoche dryers okurugo mu kitongore ekya Moviti kandi speaker ebyabigambire hwati
What has Katesh done here? It is just like you thinking. It is like you thinking that any person who is playing music in the street removing Museveni. That because you're putting on a rasta and you're playing music.
Omunyishengero Dickson Collins Kateshumba nagirangu buri omwe aine kwendeza mugenzi we ahabwe ntunguka yabona.
Expecting abantu tukagera munonga kweyongerayo tukabasupportinga tukabasakira munonga abo ko byo gukora bikiri byingi ukabwa ubuhereza bwito butorekireho abantu baza kusupportinga tuguriza munonga
nabwanyuma abatura bashema bahingwize President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni ngo abenwe yayisimba hwenka abwo kuba ebyabakorire babirebere Omakuragande nkaga abebembezi ba NRM mu district ya Shema abahereze okusinga karuru bete NRM delegates bahingwi speaker w'ishengero ry'ihanga Annette Among okurabaho kwesimba wenka ahantebe ya second NRM vice chairperson.
If we are passing a law, it should be something that is not going to be a disadvantage to the party. So I need to be in that top decision body which is set of the party for me to be able to harmonize the party, legislature, and then judiciary.
She loves the president with her heart and soul. There is no leadership which has been so cohesive like under Speaker Anita Among.
Bwanyuma speaker atongwize okugaba ebyapa byamataka ebirukwingana emitware 2 ahabwabusha okutandikana wikeri kwija ebikondo 409 by'amashanyarazi kuza omubyari gani 13 na pipe zamizi kilomita 37 hamwe no kwombeka akatari gasha kwa Michael atwakire